Please let me know if you guys can see me. I may have to redo all this. No idea what's going on here. Can you guys see me? All right, let me I'm having issues with this crap, so hold on one second, guys. Let me get this figured out. I don't know what's going on. YouTube is sucking as usual. I apologize. I'll be with you in 1 second. All right. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but I hope this is working now. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. It really helps out. Wanted to talk a little bit about this morning. Like I said, I don't make calls. I don't tell you when to buy, tell you when to sell. I don't tell you when to long. I don't tell you when to short. I just put out my ideas. And like this morning, let's pull this up real quick. If you were watching this morning, I did post this right here. And I had said, will this be Bitcoin's next stop? That didn't tell you to short or whatever. If you did and you made your own decision, kudos, awesome. I hope you did well. We didn't quite hit my target of 33.29, but we did hit pretty close. Where did we hit? Right about 333. So anyways, that was just a measured move of this right here, this triangle. Do I think we're done yet? I don't think so, and I'm going to talk about why. First of all, let's go into the big... If you guys don't know how to hit the likes, please go down under the video right there and smash that thumbs up. So anyways, in the longer term, we're still looking for this wave 5. Again, this gets invalidated if we cross 47.1, which would be the wave 1 right here. And 4 cannot go further than wave 1. So that would be the invalidation. Until then, guys, I am still looking for these lower lows. At least 27,000 area, could go down to the 23.4 or possibly lower. If we do look at this daily RSI right here, you can see we're breaking down. Let's really can't make a call on this until the daily close, but if we close below this trend line on the daily RSI, that's pretty bad for Bitcoin. And as for Ethereum and Litecoin, everybody's always asking about it, guys. They are totally reliant on Bitcoin right now. And I gave you the right here about a week and a half ago. Let's see, when was that? June 10th. We talked about the sell signal on Ethereum. Yes, we did get a little pump back up, but of course, you can see what's happening now. Again, this daily close is going to be huge. We'll see what happens there. Don't forget, this is the dollar index overlaid on the Bitcoin chart. Every time the dollar tops, Bitcoin bottoms. This was back in 2017. And back over here in 2014, Bitcoin, or the dollar bottomed, Bitcoin topped. And then again in 2015, the dollar top, Bitcoin bottomed. We look over here in 17, the dollar bottomed, Bitcoin topped. Right over here, March 2020, nobody can forget that. Dollar topped, Bitcoin bottomed, and Bitcoin bottomed over here. I'm sorry, the dollar bottomed. I do believe Bitcoin topped. Let's talk about the DXY for a while. As you guys know, I've been saying for a long time, people have been laughing because they said, we're in inflation. Screwing up again? What is going on? Sorry, guys. I don't know what the hell is going on with this connection. I have no idea. I apologize. YouTube is just horrible lately. But anyways, what I want to talk about here, guys, is everybody's saying, are we going to 20,000? We've talked about this plenty of times. One thing we need to watch here, guys, is if the daily closes below this trend line in the RSI. I don't know how long I wasn't on there, but anyways, a daily close above this trend line on the daily RSI is going to be pretty bad for Bitcoin. We'll see how this daily closes. I don't know where it left off last time, but I talked about the invalidation point of 47.1 before going to lower lows would invalidate this count. But as of right now, I'm still looking for A to end sometime, any time from now to the end of the month, that we get this low from. We'll look at the exact lows that we could look at. We'll pull up the trend Fibonacci fib extension, and we'll start from wave 2, go down to the bottom of wave 3. And if you guys had been watching this channel, this has been drawn in here since March. So, or I'm sorry, this Elliott wave has been drawn in here since we hit 2, which is around May 10th. But anyways, then we go to top of wave 4 here. So the golden pocket zone would be around the 23.4. We also have right at the 26.5 to 27,000. We would have our 0.5 fib, and then down to 17.9. Those would be the areas I would be looking for a bounce. Now they're at this bounce, that would be A, and then after A, we would most likely, if this plays out, see a 3-wave correction ending in August or September, getting everyone extremely bullish again, thinking we're going to the moon. I don't believe we will be. Again, if we cross this green trend line at any time, then we could be going to new all-time highs, but I do see us getting rejected there, and some severely low lows in 2022. I know I've been saying around 9,500. There's other things pointing to a possibility of like 6,500. Now, again, guys, not saying it has to happen, but if we take a look at this, let's take that wick off stuff off here for a minute. Just take a look at this whole chart. That is extremely bearish, guys. People are talking about this looking like a head and shoulders. And if we pull up, let's pull up the market cheat sheet. We've been talking a lot about so here's the market cheat sheet. Could we be in the anxiety or denial phase before another huge drop? That is a possibility. Now, what we have been talking about forever is the Dow Jones. Guys, the Dow looks absolutely horrible. As you guys know, I've pointed out, this is way back in 2018, January of 2018 to now. Higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI. That is bearish divergence. Also, right here, from February 2020 to May 2021,